Okay, here we are, another snowstorm. This one's a lot worse than the last one. We've got about 12, 13 inches, 13 or 14, sorry, inches standing, and then we've got drifts up to 17 inches. So there it is. It's still coming down. They're saying about an inch to an inch and a half an hour. So it's coming down big, ugly. Oh, it's pretty. Look at the cars. They're just covered. So then visibility is about a quarter of a mile. I'll take some pictures. And there's the girls all in the window. They're waving. Now I'm going to take some